Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming for the week of August 20th to the 26th in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner. This is going to be a rewind spread using the kit called The Greatest Show from my shop, the Prairie Planner. I'm just showing you some tools that I'm going to be using, all simply gilded washi, my slice tool, my whiteout, and the pen that I'm using. So currently I am going to cut this bottom washi down in half because I'm going to use some Simply Gilded washi at the bottom with this bottom washi, and you'll see me do that in a second. So why I'm using this kit this week is it is our town's fair this week, and I just thought it would just be a fun kit. I know this is a more circus themed kit, but I just thought that with the whole cotton candy and the popcorn and all that stuff, it just really seemed to fit, and I just love the colors. It's super fun. So I'm using the Simply Gilded Mermaid washi for the bottom. I love these colors. I think they are so pretty. The teal, the purple, it just goes so well with this kit. Like, you could not find a better match. And I'm just so excited to be using it. So I know I haven't planned in a very long time. I kind of took a little bit of a break from planning. I just kind of wanted to find my, I don't know, I guess planner piece. I just felt like I was just doing it just to do videos, and I wasn't liking that. I kind of wanted to do it for me and for the fun of it. Like, I kind of lost that a little bit. So I decided to use my Erin Condren as a memory keeper. So as you'll be seeing, these videos will be back planned, and I have been taking the leftovers from these kits and then using them in my TN inserts so that I have the same theme throughout the whole week. And I just find that I'm really liking the whole memory keeping idea. It's going to be so fun to look back on, and I think I hated changing my plans all the time, so I think this was a great compromise. So right now I'm just laying down all my full boxes. I'm kind of doing like a scattered look and putting my glitter headers over top. I did have some problems with figuring out which glitter header goes what, just because there's only 3 colors in this kit instead of 4 like I'm used to, and for some reason that was totally throwing me off, but I do end up figuring it out in the end. It just, you'll see, I lift things a little bit too much, but it all ends up working out good. It has taken me a couple weeks to figure out this whole scattered box glitter header thing. I'm just not used to that style at all, but I think that it worked out really good. I'm super happy with how it turned out, so I think I'm going to keep doing this. I've done this in a couple spreads now, and I really like it. Okay, so now we are done putting the full boxes and the glitter headers on, and I'm going to go in and put the flags from the kit in just in the corners there. I always love that part. I think it just adds such a nice touch. And I'm going to go in and put my date covers on using these date squares from my shop. I'm just going to put them in and then add them onto the spread. Let me know what you guys think about the whole fast forwarding the full boxes and glitter headers and just kind of putting it to music, or if you'd rather listen to me talk a little bit more, we can kind of do that too. I'm just kind of curious of what you guys like. I have to get back into this, so it might take me a couple times to get used to this again. So I'm just going to put those date covers on. Honestly, these are like my favorite stickers, just because I think it just finishes the kit completely. I love date covers. They're my favorite. So now we're going to move on to the sidebar. I really wanted to pull in this Simply Gilded washi with the stripes, just because I think those colors were perfect for this kit. It has like the navy and the purples and the blues, everything like that in there, and I think it just turned out perfect. I know you guys are going to cringe. I could not find my ruler for the life of me, so I did freehand cutting my washi this whole time. I know it's so bad, but we just did it for this time, and hopefully I can find my ruler for the next plan with me. So I put that down, and then I put a half box down just to kind of put like a highlight of the week in there. And then I put some more Simply Gilded washi. I used this mermaid's tail one. I really liked the purple that it has. I think it matches the kit super well. I put down a dinner's header and then a weekly sidebar box to mark all the dinners that I had that week. I'm so sorry guys, I do end up, you can't see this part that I'm planning, but I'm putting a little header that says this week and a 3-heart checklist just to put some stuff that happened in the week that I needed to do. Again, I'll try and do this better for next time. I put a Fun at the Fair little icon from my shop in our fair sampler sheet in that half box just to mark that was the highlight of the week. Moving on to Monday, I put a play structure icon to mark that we spent the whole morning at the park. We went with one of my friends. It was super fun. The kids had a blast. Then I put a quarter box in with a cleaning icon to mark that we started doing power hours. I've done them a couple times, but we're trying to be more consistent. It's just really helped my kids to get focused and to get some stuff done, and I feel like if I just do 1 hour every couple days, I'm actually accomplishing something instead of having to do one big cleaning for the week. It just never seemed to get done. I put a little laptop sticker that's from my shop and a work script sticker to mark that I worked that day. I also put a piece of washi down from the kit and added a sticker from my shop saying that we went for a walk with our friends that evening. I put some more Simply Gilded washi, that rainbow striped one, just because I really loved it and wanted to add some more color. I added a quarter box from the add-on sheet and a Weed the Garden sticker from my shop to mark that I weeded my garden and spent a huge chunk of my day doing that. We have a community plot, so it's a lot more work to go out and do that. So I always mark those down. On Tuesday, I put a half box down and another play structure icon on to mark that we went to the park again. We went with my sister-in-law and the kids, and it was just super fun. The kids, again, really enjoyed their time. They're learning so much on the play structures. It's kind of good to see, especially with my son being an OT. He's just learning so many awesome skills going to the park. Then I put a piece of washi from Simply Gilded as well, just the confetti washi. I put this flag down with the Eat Out sticker, and I really didn't like how it overlapped. So I removed it and put a piece of thin washi from the kit to layer that Eat Out sticker. And that's just to mark that we went out for lunch with my sister-in-law. I move things around a lot because I can't keep anything straight. Then I went and put a laptop sticker, again from my shop, and a work script sticker to mark that I basically designed and printed and cut all afternoon. Then I'm going to go in and put a quarter box from the kit with a Go for a Walk sticker from my shop to mark that we went for a walk in the evening with our friends again. And then I also put a flag from the kit. These are the hidden flags that are on the top bar on the first page. And I didn't know how to mark that I made spaghetti sauce, so I took the meal plan from the kit and I cut off the little utensils, and I just put that in the flag, and I marked that I canned some spaghetti sauce from stuff from my garden that day. Moving on to Wednesday, I did my budget, and I honestly was having the hardest time marking this because since I do use these stickers in my TN beforehand, sometimes I use stickers without thinking that I'll need them in my Erin Condren. So I just put some arrows down and marked that I did my budget that day. I also used another laptop and work script sticker to mark that I spent the afternoon working again. Then I'm adding another quarter box from the kit with a meal plan sticker from my shop to mark that I did the meal plan for that day. Now I'm just adding some more Simply Gilded washi just to fill in the space. I tried to lift this quarter box up and move it up a little bit, but honestly with my nails I just could not, so we left it there. Now I'm putting down a piece of thin washi from the kit and layering that with a grocery shopping sticker from my shop. Eventually, there we go. So I did the grocery shopping that day as well after I did the meal plan. Then I took an appointment label from the kit and a doctor icon that is the same color to mark that it was my son's OT appointment, and it's actually our last one for a while, so that was really exciting. Then I'm just filling in some space with some more Simply Gilded washi. My stickers are forever crooked, but that's okay. Okay, so yeah, more Simply Gilded washi here, and I know you guys are probably like upset that I used mixed metals, but I really don't care. I just like to use the color of the washi. I don't care if it's silver, gold, or rose gold. I just like it, so that's what I'm gonna do. Last thing I want to mark was that I did a huge print. I could not figure out how to mark this, so I added a computer icon from the kit and just wrote print beside it. So moving on to the second half of the week, on Thursday I did a lot of stuff in the shop and I just kind of wanted to mark that with a list. So I put a piece of washi down from the kit and I put a laptop sticker down from my shop to just signify this is all like work stuff. And then I took a checklist and I cut it down into 3. Then I added that and just filled that in to mark the different things that I had to do in the shop. I really tried to fill in that space underneath the checklist. I could not, and I was not moving those stickers again. So there's this awkward little spacing there, but I will get used to it. Okay, now I'm putting down a quarter box to mark that it was Planner Club that night. I'm taking a book icon from the kit. I don't know, I thought it could be a planner. I thought it worked. To mark that it was Planner Club. Then I'm going to take a glittery flag from the kit to mark that I designed my first ever TN setup. I was super excited about it. I made it a fall theme. If you guys want to see a video on my TN setup, let me know in the comments down below and I will definitely film that for you guys. Filling some space in with some more Simply Gilded washi. I love this confetti washi. So pretty. And the last thing that I want to mark was that I spend a lot of the day watching YouTube. I always watch YouTube when I am working. It's just the easiest thing to have on in the background, and I don't have to think too hard, where if I have to watch a show, I like to concentrate and actually watch it. So this works out perfect. For Friday, I added another one of those hidden flags from the kit to mark that I baked brownies in the morning. So I took a bake script sticker from my shop, and then I wanted to mark that I dropped some brownies off at a friend of mine's. So I took a quarter box from the kit, and I took this little car icon from my shop to mark that I dropped her off some brownies. Just using some more Simply Gilded washi to fill in that little extra space. Then for the second half of the day, I actually took a nap, which I almost never do. So I really wanted to mark that. I took one of these sleeping dogs from Green Darner Designs. I think that's how you say it. I'll link it down below so you can check it out. I just layered that with some washi down from the kit. Then I took a half box to mark that we took the kids on fair rides for the night. That was so fun. My kids had a blast. I love watching them do all those different things. It was just super, super fun. Moving on to Saturday, the first thing is there's a parade every Saturday morning, so we went and watched the parade. Then I used a quarter box to mark that me and my parents and my kids went and grabbed some lunch down at the fair. Sorry about that, you guys. I have an alarm just set so that I can buy more washi. Like, I need more, but whatever. Okay, so I put a quarter box down to mark that we went and had lunch up at the fair with my mom and dad. I used a hot dog icon from the fair sampler kit from my shop. And now I'm just putting in more washi down to fill in this extra space. And I'm going to use a laptop sticker from my shop to mark that I worked on websites this day. Then I want to mark that I did a lot of cleaning in the kitchen, so I decided to mark that I cleaned my sink. So I took a hidden flag from the front page again and put this clean sink sticker down from my spring cleaning sheet. And then I put another quarter box down to mark that we spent the evening up at the fair again. We went with a bunch of our friends. We got churros, which I've never had before. It was so, so good. They had filled ones and plain ones, and me and my husband split like a variety pack. And then we also got wings, which were so good. Guys, I love wings. It was so good. Then we went home and we played games with our friends. We actually got one of those escape room games. They're one of those ones that you can only do one time, but they're so fun. Like, that was our first one. Totally, totally recommend those games. So to mark that, I took a piece of washi from the kit and a game night sticker from my shop. On Sunday, it was my mom's birthday as well as my nephew's birthday. So I took a little birthday guy from Miso Co, and I put a happy birthday script icon from my shop. I think those look super cute together. Then I wanted to mark that I weeded the garden again. So I took the leftover like bottom washi from the kit and I layered that with a Weed the Garden sticker. So next I took another laptop from my shop and I put that to mark that I was doing more websites that day. I really had a project that I just needed to get done, so I really want to work on that this weekend. Then I took another quarter box from my kit and layered that with a heart icon from the kit and to mark that my sister came over for the day and we hung out. Then I put a glittery flag from the kit and these balloons from a birthday sampler that I had, and I marked that we have my mom over for a little birthday party. Then actually while I was filming this, I print and cut those video game controllers. Sorry, I totally lost my train of thought. To mark that I played Sims on the Friday. So this is my finished spread, everybody. I hope that you enjoyed it. Plan with me. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Leave any comments or questions you have down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!